What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be doing a reaction video to The Sleep Sound, The Legend of Drizzt. It's narrated by Benedict Cumberbatch, and it's going to be for the upcoming game Dark Alliance. Now, that's going to be the new game, not the re-release from like 2004 or so. It's narrated by him. Looks pretty cool. I haven't watched it yet, so let's go ahead and do a reaction video.
Sleep quiet, my child, my little drow. Your dreams invite tranquility now. Cast in this cavern, stone walls so secure. The web holds you tight through underdark night, and guardian spiders that tickle you feel. With gossamer thread weave our goddess's seal. The Spider Queen's children, and so too your kin, are here to remind you that you shall not sin. They show you the scourge, the snake-headed whip. They bite and they tear, until she hears your prayer. There is no such blessing to the damned up above. Those who forsake the Spider Queen's love. In their way lies weakness and unceasing waste. And if you would join them, then so be debased. And when Hellfire Orb looks down on your shame, your soul is burned bare. She knows you're to blame. You'll live ever running, but you've no place to hide, and huddled in fear, for there is no disguise. The sun, it will burn you. The cold snow will freeze. The hopelessness tumbles you down to your knees. And when you are broken, to her you will pray. But she will not heed. You've thrown her away.
Forging Agus Fang.
And you'll find no companions to stand in our way when we hunt you and fight you and torment for play.
Wolfgar.
You've chosen the weaklings of the world up above, who speak empty words and know not Lolth's love. No, Lolth will not save you from human deceit, nor from bearded dwarves, nor elvish conceit. The Spider Queen shows us the one single way. There is only the night. There is never the day. For strength does not stretch through branch or through leaf. It bleeds from the roots that secure us beneath, deep in our hearts, wrapped tight in Lolth's web. With venom we sting, her glory we sing. So whisper your love of your matron, your mother, who teaches the way to your sisters and brother. Brother, I say, there can only be one. For if there were two, there couldn't be you. Then that silken swaddle, that tickling wreath, would instead be your death by the Spider Queen's teeth. Sleep sound in the darkness.
Oh, we're accompanied by Jack today.
Or burn in the light alone.
His faithful cat. Companion. Alright. So, that is The Sleep Sound. An animated short. Well, color me excited. I'm really excited for the game. Dark Alliance 2004-ish, when it came out for the Xbox, it was a good game. It wasn't really much to it. You top-down shooter, looting, dungeon crawling, however you want to call it. Graphics were good for back then. I think it was Xbox or Xbox 360. I think it was for the Xbox. I could be wrong. I do believe it also came out for the GameCube. Liked the game. I thought it was great, but this trailer has been like really exciting. They're not going to be doing it on the Switch. It's going to be on the Xbox One, the PS4, and computer. So, color me excited. I'm glad of everything they're doing for D&D, and this is just another one of those great stories that they're bringing out. And for those who don't know, it was done by R.A. Salvatore. It's from the 80s, back when they were kind of making the Dragonlance books and stuff like that. You should definitely go check it out. All right. You guys have a great day.